Hi all, lesson 14. We're going to do the next part of We Are the Champions. We're going to do the second line. We've got 4 lines to learn in total. The other 2 are sitting there. We'll come to those next time. So we've done this first one. G, F sharp, G, F sharp, D, E, B, D. And we ended up with G, A, those 2 sort of hands moving up together. We didn't play that last note, we're going to play that next. This rhythm here is fairly similar to what we've got up here. So we've got the 3 notes there, which are tied to 1, which is the same there. So 1, 2, 3, 1. And then the A, B is the same sort of rhythm as that. D and B are the same as the F and D there. And then this is the bit where it's a little bit different. So now this first one here, this note is going to be really important, even though that's why we left it for this time, because it attaches to this melody. So D, G, A, B, D, B, E, F sharp, E. So let's have a look at how that works on the keyboard. All right, okay, so we've just ended up with this. We've ended up here, and the thumb on the right hand is going to jump to the D, and then finger 2 will be on the G. Now that looks like quite a stretch, but because the thumb and the first finger can stretch quite far, it should be fairly comfortable, but you don't feel like you have to hold on both at the same time. You can just move if you need to get from the D to the G. So, and then we're going to go up to the A, B, and then the 5 is going to stretch to the D. So we've got a whole octave stretch here, but it looks like this. D, G, A, B, D, D, G, A, B, D. So D, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and then we're going to go back down to a B. So here we go again. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And then the last bit is the E, F sharp, E. E, F sharp, E. So thumb and thumb and first finger. One more time. With the counting. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. So the last bit, once we're here, is actually one of the reasons why we've done scales, because we have to do a thumb over, and do sorry, not thumb over, 3 over, and then 3, 2, 1 on the D, C, B. So you've just done the. So the whole of that line looks like this. 3 over. One more time. And then in the left hand, we've got 3 notes we need to play. We need to play a G and a B, like we had at the start of the last one. And then if I just move the piano a little bit this way, there we go. G and B. And then the 2 is going to be on the C. And then the 4 is going to be on the G sharp, which is the middle of the 3 black notes. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. It sounds weird until we put the right hand with it. So go 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, B, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, C, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, G sharp, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So putting it with the right hand, the D is on its own. And then once again, as we did with the first bit, we're going to have the 2 Gs together. And then the next note together is the D up here. So we've got to go, so D and B. So put those together. One more time. And then we're going to go back to the B. And then at the end of the E, F sharp, E is when you play the C. So try again. So should end up with a thumb on an E and 2 on a C. And then the very last bit with the 3 over, and when your thumb lands on the B, your 4 goes on the G sharp. So probably best to be start there and just go practice that a little. It's like you're doing a little scale. One more time. So that whole line looks like this. Oh, I did the wrong finger in there. Sorry, I'll try again. One more time. So that should allow you to play the second line, and then if you have time, have a go at adding it on to the first line. If not, you can sort of practice that over the weekend break. So that's line 1 and line 2 sorted, and we'll move on to the second part tomorrow. Good luck.